Hello everyone, welcome to the Asus VR1100 launch event. Asus ExpertBook B9 is built to be the best take-anywhere device, verified as an Evo laptop. It is the world's lightest 14-inch business laptop, and yet deliver more than 20 hours of battery life. It now has the Intel vPro platform for seamless data security and easy remote management. We have also integrated advanced Asus two-way AI-powered noise cancelling technology to offer clear video communication. We are proud to unveil our premium Chromebook, Asus Chromebook CX5. It's powered by the latest 11th Gen Intel processor with Iris Xe graphics, long battery life, and high responsiveness. It's also manufactured to military-grade level toughness. VR1100 is engineered to survive force of up to 120 centimeters. The child-conscious protections also include an all-round rubber bumper, spill-resistant keyboard, and a reinforced structure. It can also accommodate an up to 1 TB SSD, so it's easy to expand if the onboard storage fills up. The modular design of the VR1100 allows the busy enemy to access components without dismantling the case for easy maintenance or repair. Today, we are also thrilled to announce Asus Chromebook Flip CX5, 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics and Wi-Fi 6. Ensure a smooth experience for daily computing. An optional USI stylus provide flexibility and convenience for drawing and taking notes, while Harman Kardon certified audio deliver best-in-class experience for entertainment. Asus Chromebook Flip CX5 offers superior cloud gaming experience, which support NVIDIA GeForce Now and the Google Stadia, putting whole new gaming worlds just a click away.
Today, we are proud to announce the new VivoBook S14 S435. VivoBook S14 is lighter and more compact than ever, with a weight of only 1.3 kg. VivoBook S14 delivers Intel Evo certified performance. The 11th generation Intel processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics provides an amazing mobile experience. We are proud to announce that the Asus Intelligent Performance technology is included in all Asus VivoBook models powered by the 11th Gen Intel processors, giving everyone more power to work and play.
And here they are, the 2021 ZenBook Duo 14-inch and ZenBook Pro Duo 15-inch. We completely revamped the UI of the ScreenPad Plus control center, which is now much more responsive and convenient to use. We added the new app, the ScreenPad Plus control panel. You can now create your own fully customizable virtual deck of sliders, buttons, and dials that can be programmed to perform almost any function in apps such as Adobe Premiere, After Effects, Photoshop, and Lightroom Classic. Thanks to Intel's latest H-series CPU with 8 high-performance cores, 32 GB of 2933 MHz DDR4 memory, and a powerful GeForce RTX 3070 laptop GPU, the ZenBook Pro Duo 15 flies through any kind of workflow, whether it's Photoshop, video editing, 3D rendering, or coding. The main display on the 2021 ZenBook Pro Duo 15-inch is the same amazing 4K OLED panel we use on the current model. It's still the best panel on the market. The ZenBook Pro Duo's little 14-inch brother comes with the latest Intel U-series processor with Iris Xe and an MX450 dedicated GPU, which almost triples its 3D performance compared to the MX250 in the current model. Memory-wise, we made a huge leap here, going from 16 GB 2133 MHz DDR3 memory to 32 GB LPDDR4X memory running at 4266 MHz. That's double the size and double the clock speed. The ZenBook Duo 14-inch supports AIPT as well, which means we boosted from 15 watts to 28 watts, not just occasionally, but it can run at 28 watts non-stop. So besides the usual performance and battery life improvements that come with the latest CPUs, our ZenBook Duo 14-inch gets another battery life boost thanks to its 1-watt panel. From the ZenBook Duo, ZenBook S, to to the ZenBook Flip S, ZenBook 14-inch ultralight, Flip 13, ExpertBook B9, and VivoBook S14, we have a complete lineup of EVO-certified laptops.
PA148 offers a 14-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare panel with 10 points multi-touch. We know that color accuracy is vital when creating visual content. So we have designed PA148 to deliver industry standard 100% sRGB and 100% Rec 709 color gamut. To ensure color accuracy, it is Kelvin verified and factory pre-calibrated to guarantee a color accuracy delta E below 2. PA148 also features a handy ergonomic metal kickstand. You can easily prop it up in an ideal viewing position for creativity and for better touch interactive experience. Asus Style can be customized together with PA148 makes workflow much easier with its intuitive interface. It enables precise, accurate control to major functions. As you press Asus Dial on the back, you can see all the functions like exposure, color temperature. Having saturation as an example, you can adjust your image in details. It's another quick access to tools where you're using Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom Classic, Premiere, After Effects. We hope to design Asus Style to allow creators to quickly navigate key points of the complicated software. With customized control panel, we hope to provide you a unified solution, one or two steps faster. You can now click brush tool, then slide brush wheel to edit image instantly. We also feature zoom in and out like so, and save with a single touch. ZenBeam Latte is the world's first portable projector that we take challenge to implement fabric materials in order to improve heat dissipation. And the result, it achieves better sound penetration to ensure the best performance. Latte brings the brightness up to 300 LED lumens in high definition resolution and large screen size up to 120-inch projection. Besides as a standard projector, it also performs as a portable Bluetooth speaker. Latte is ready to impress your audio experience with Bluetooth speaker and rich quality sound effect by Harman Kardon. You can immerse in your music up to 12 hours without disruption.
We created the all-new Tough Dash to make ultra-slim, ultra-portable gaming laptops more accessible to match this modern lifestyle. Its 11th Gen Core i7 processor boosts up to an impressive 5 GHz, but within a power envelope of only 35 watts. That's 22% less than your typical gaming laptop CPU. GPU-wise, the Dash goes all the way up to a GeForce RTX 3070. All of this makes the Tough Dash the most powerful Tiger Lake laptop around, largely thanks to its powerful cooling system. Leave your comments below and let us know which you're interested in the most. And check out our Asus 2021 Be Ahead event site. I hope you enjoyed watching this and see you next time.